Namaste students, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to introduce MCQ questions in Social Science Unit 7 Freedom Movement. Let us begin. First question is founder of the Indian National Congress. The National Congress was established in 1885. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Options Mahatma Gandhiji, Avo Hume, Balagangadhar Tilak, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Which is right answer here? Avo Hume. Avo Hume. Next question is second one. Maratha newspaper was published by Jawaharlal Nehru, Ras Bihari Bose, Balagangadhar Tilak, V.D. Savarkar. Which is the right one? Balagangadhar Tilak. Maratha newspaper published by Balagangadhar Tilak. Third question. The Muslim League was founded in 1924, 1922, 1929, 1906. So, right answer is 1906. Muslim League was founded in 1906. Next question. The viceroy who implemented the Bengal division was the viceroy who implemented the Bengal division was Lord Cornwallis, Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Robert Clive. Which is the right answer here? Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon implemented the Bengal division. Next question. The participation of Indians in the legislature process was 1833, 1861, 1909, 1919. 1861. Right answer, second option. The main impact of 1857 revolt was created responsible government, led to the federal structure, created a stable government, led to the development of political awakening in India. Which is the right answer here? Fourth option, 4. Led to the development of political awakening in India. Next question. Vernacular Press Act was implemented by Lord Lytton, Avo Hume, Warren Hastings, Lord Ripon. Lord Lytton implemented Vernacular Press Act. Next, Indian National Congress founded in options 1905, 1919, 1885, 1920. So, third option is right answer 1885. Next, moderates had faith in the rule of British rule and judiciary, British administration, self rule and judiciary, own government. Moderates had faith in the rule of ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂದಗಾಮಿಗಳು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯರಿ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಮಾಡರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಂದಗಾಮಿಗಳ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಿನೈಸಾನ್ಸಾ, ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, patriotism, liberal nationalism. So fourth one is right answer, liberal nationalism. Moderates period was called as liberal nationalism. Next question. Abhinava Bharata and Anushila Samiti were the two important secret organizations of Dash. Revolutionaries, radicals, moderates, ಗಾಂಧಿಯನ್ಯರ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್. ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಭಿನವ ಭಾರತ ಮತ್ತು ಅನುಶೀಲ ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರೂ ದ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಂಗಾಳವನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಡೆದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. 2 ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಗಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂತಹ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೋತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, 1905, 1911, 1919, 1929, which is the right answer here, 1911. Next question, 13th question. Swaraj is my birthright. I would definitely get it back. Declared by. Who declared this line? Gandhiji, Nehru, Tilak, C.R. Das. Yes, students, very easy answer. Balagangadhar Tilak declared as Swaraj is my birthright. I would definitely get it back. Next question. 14th question. Moderates period in freedom struggle of India is. Moderates period ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂದಗಾಮಿಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 1905 to 1919, 1905 to 1920, 1920 to 1947, 1885 to 1905. So right answer here, 1885 to 1905. So freedom movement, it is very important chapter in history. So you have to concentrate. I will explain some important points here. First war of independence became turning point for freedom struggle. So Lord Lytton Vernacular Press Act was implemented by Lord Lytton. Next, some associations are founded. Hindu Mela, All Indian Association, Pune Public Sabha, the Indian Association are very important here. Next, Yevo Hume found one of the party, that is Indian National Congress, in 1885. First convention held at Bombay. So you have to remember this point. And then W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale were the major moderate leaders. Next, moderates period is called as the age of liberal nationalism. The period between 1885 to 1905 is called as the age of moderates. And then the soft stance of moderates towards the British made unhappy group within the Congress to call them as political beggars. Radicals call moderates as political beggars. So Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Balagangadhar Tilak are the members of radical group. Remember this point. And then Viceroy Lord Curzon thought of dividing Bengal in the name of administration. Who is taking decision about dividing Bengal in the name of administration? Viceroy Lord Curzon. The British divided Bengal in 1905. So Tilak declared as Swaraj is my birthright. I would definitely get it back. He published some of the newspapers. They are Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English languages. So Tilak wrote one of the book, that is Gita Rahasya, in the prison, which further fueled the freedom struggle. Aurobindo Ghosh, V.D. Savarkar, Ashwini Kumar Datta, Rajanarayan Bose, Rajguru, Vishnu Shastri, Champukar, Jatin Das are more prominent among the revolutionaries. You have to remember these points in this chapter. Thank you.